Good morning, students. Today we
Good
will
morning.
learn today we will learn how to use verbs in sentences correctly. Let us have a presentation on the right use of verbs as you can see on your screen. What we will learn from today's lesson. In our English second paper, we have a question on the right use of verbs. If we want to use the verbs correctly, we need to have some pre-knowledge about verbs. Through this presentation, we will try to acquaint ourselves with that pre-knowledge. While writing the answer to this question, we have to keep the following things in mind. First one, active and passive structures of different tenses. As you can see, then we need to know the sentence structures based on different time expressions. Then we need to know the simple, complex, and compound structures of sentences. We should also have knowledge of bare infinitive, to infinitive, present participle, perfect participle, past participle, and gerund. Tanvir, can you tell me what bare infinitive is? Can you tell me what bare infinitive is?
Sorry, sir.
Bare infinitive means a verb without to, to. When we use a verb, the base form of a verb without to,
Sir,
to.
sir, two plus verb,
To plus verb is to infinitive.
two
To
infinitive, yes, sir.
a verb without to is bare infinitive. Go,
Two sir verb.
go is a bare infinitive. To go is a to infinitive.
Two.
Go is a bare infinitive. To go is a to infinitive. Present participle means verb plus ing. Perfect participle means having plus V3. Having plus V3. Going is a present participle. having gun is a perfect participle. Then past participle, we all know that there is a past participle form of every verb like gone, done, etc. And gerund is also verb plus ing.
Anji.
Verb plus ing. Then what's the difference between a present participle and a gerund? Imran, can you tell me what the difference between a present participle and a gerund is? Imran 11588.
স্যার একটা হলো জিরান্দ্র, এটা হলো নাউন হবে।
Good. And present participle?
স্যার ওইটা হলো ভার্বের ক্ষেত্রে, মানে কি ওটা সেন্টেন্সের সময় ব্যবহৃত হবে মনে হয়।
আচ্ছা।
স্যার
Present party when we
স্যার ওটা স্যার অ্যাডজেক্টিভ অ্যাডভার্ব
good and when
স্যার
we
অ্যাডজেক্টিভ এবং
adjective and adverb good. When we use a verb ing form as an adjective or adverb or in the continuous tenses we have 6 continuous tenses, 3 continuous and 3 perfect continuous. Present continuous, present perfect continuous, past continuous, past perfect continuous, future continuous, future perfect continuous. In all these continuous tenses we use verb ing, don't we? This verb ing is also called present participle. Then present participle is used as an adjective or an adverb or in the continuous tenses. On the other hand, gerund is a verb ing form used as a noun. When verb ing is used as a noun, it is called a gerund. Clear?
ইয়েস স্যার।
Now we need to know the uses of different modal verbs. Can you give an example of modal verbs? Sabbir Hussain.
Sir.
Can
Sir,
you give
is
an
it-
example?
Sir,
Modal verb.
sir, sorry sir, এটা স্যার বুঝি নাই।
Modal verb. Do you know modal verb? What a modal verb is? Can you give some examples? Modal can, could, shall,
May,
should,
might.
may, might. These are all called modal verbs. Can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, must, need not, dare not. These are all called modal verbs. Then we need to know the rules regarding subject verb agreement. Subject verb agreement. What verb should be used with which subject? If I say I is a teacher, is it correct? I is a teacher.
Yes, sir.
Then what should be the correct sentence?
I am a teacher.
I am a teacher.
I am a teacher. Then am agrees with the subject I. This is called subject verb agreement. We need to know some rules regarding subject verb agreement also. Now let's move on to our next slide. Now let us see how a verb is used in different tenses in their active and passive structures. We have taken a verb as an example, which is sell, S-E-L-L, sell. In the present indefinite tense, active in active voice, sells; in passive voice, is sold. In the present continuous tense, is selling, is being sold. In the past indefinite tense, sold, was sold. Do we know these structures? Do we know these structures? Then just go through these structures with me. In the past continuous tense, was selling; active, passive, was being sold. In the future indefinite tense, inactive, shall or will sell; in the passive structure, shall or will be sold. In the future continuous, shall or will be selling; in the passive structure, shall or will be being sold. In the present perfect tense, has sold in the active voice and has been sold in the passive voice. Past perfect, had sold, had been sold. Future perfect, shall or will have sold, shall or will have been sold. In our conditional sentences, we usually use would sell in the active voice, and in the passive voice we use would be sold. Perfect conditional, as we can see, our third conditional, would have sold in the active voice, would have been sold in the passive voice. Now we have come to a very important structure, four important structures. First one, present in infinitive. 2 plus V1 is called present infinitive. To have plus V3 is called perfect infinitive. These we will call non-finite verbs. Present infinitive, perfect infinitive, and ing form, and perfect participle. All these are called non-finite verbs. Non-finite verbs. We'll have a discussion on non-finite verbs in one of our future classes. Now let's see. To sell in the active structure, to be sold in the passive structure. To have sold for perfect infinitive in the active structure, to have been sold in the passive structure. Selling for ing form in the active structure, being sold in the passive structure. Perfect participle, having sold in the active structure and having been sold in the passive structure. Have a screenshot of this slide. Take a screenshot of this slide.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Good. Have you gone through these structures? Okay. Now get ready with your pen and paper. You have to do some writing task. Are you ready with your pen and paper?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Ready, sir.
Now you need to change the voice of the following sentences. Change the voice of the following sentences in 5 minutes. If there is any word unknown to you, please let me know. I will make it clear to you. If any structure is also unclear to you, let me know. I will make it clear. These two sentences are not complete ones. These are all only the non-finite parts of the sentences. The finite parts of the sentences are omitted so that we can focus on this structure. He keeps the door open. What will be the answer?
The door is kept open by him.
Good. The door is kept open by him. He is selling the car.
The car is being
The
sold
car
by
is
him.
being sold by
The
him.
car is being sold by him. He closed the window.
He closed the window.
The window was
Now-
closed by him.
The window was closed by him. He was opening the gate.
The gate was being opened.
The gate was
The gate was being opened by him. He will carry the bag.
The bag
The
will
bag will
carried
be carried
by
by
him.
him. He will be doing the work.
The work was done.
The work
Would be done by.
Why would? The work will be being done by him. The work will be future continuous tense. The work will be being done by him. He has shut the book.
The book has been.
The
The
book
book
has
has
been
been
the book
shut
has been shut by him.
the book has been shut by
by
him.
him.
Shut.
Shut by him.
The book has been shut by him. He had written the letter.
The letter had been
The letter had been written by him. He will have finished the work.
The work
the
will
work
be
will have
finished
been
by him.
The work will have been finished by him. He would buy the pen.
The pen would be bought
The
by
pen
him.
would
The
be
pen would
be
bought
bought
by him.
by
The
him.
pen would be bought by him.
Good. He would have repaired the box.
the box would have been repaired by him.
The box would have been repaired by him. Repaired by him. He is thought to have arrested her. It is a tricky one. He is thought to have arrested her. To have arrested. Perfect infinitive. To have arrested in the active structure. To have been arrested will be in the passive structure. Who can say? She is thought. Then what? She is thought. She is thought to have been. She is thought to have been arrested by him.
Arrested by him.
She arrested by him. She is thought to have been arrested by him. Now part of the sentence. Locking the safe. Here locking is the verb. The safe is the safe means Sinduk. The safe is the object. Locking the safe. The safe being
The
locked.
safe being locked.
There is no is. The safe being locked.
Shudu being.
Shudu being.
The safe
Only
is
being.
Being locked.
The safe being locked. Having rescued the boy. The boy. Having
The
done.
boy was
No was.
Having-
The boy having been rescued. The boy
Having
having been rescued. Having done in the
Oh,
active structure. Having been done in the passive structure. These are all non-finite verbs. Non-finite verbs. Now have a look at the answers. We have already told these answers. Now have a look at. Take a screenshot of this slide.
Done.
Done. Everyone is done with taking the screenshot of this slide.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, sir.
Good. Now let us see different sentence structures according to time expression in different sentences, tenses. You can see some time expressions in the chart. We use the present indefinite. We use the present indefinite tense with these time expressions. We use the present indefinite tense with these time expressions. Is there any word that you don't know in this table?
Sir, seldom.
Seldom. Look from here. Rarely, scarcely, hardly, seldom. They all mean the same. In Bengali, kodachit. Kodachit. In other words, we consider these words negative. We can also say that the meaning of these words is na, noyakare na in Bengali.
Sir, give an example.
He scarcely visits our house. He rarely visits our house. He hardly visits our house. He seldom visits our house. এই সবগুলো সেন্টেন্সের বেঙ্গলি মিনিং হচ্ছে সে আমাদের বাসায় আসে না। সে আমাদের বাসায় কদাচিৎ আসে, অন্যভাবে বললে সে আমাদের বাসায় আসে না। They are all related to a negative meaning.
Sir, frequently.
Repeat. I can't hear you. Repeat.
Frequently.
Frequently বলতেছে স্যার।
Frequently means ঘন ঘন। বারে বারে, ঘন ঘন বা বারে বারে।
মানে ফলাফল।
Occasionally means মাঝে মাঝে। Occasionally means মাঝে মাঝে। What do you mean by 4 times a week? 4 times a week.
এক সপ্তাহে 4 বার।
Good. সপ্তাহে 4 বার। Any other word that is unknown to you?
No sir.
twice a day,
Twice a day, দিনে 2 বার। Twice a day, দিনে 2 বার। We also use the present indefinite tense in these sentence structures, as you can see on the screen. This is the structure of the first conditional sentence. If plus present indefinite plus future indefinite. In the future indefinite tense, we can replace will with can and may also. In the negative structure, we use unless in place of if. Both have the same structure but had a different meaning. Let me cite an example. If you come, I will go. If you come is present indefinite, and I will go is future indefinite. Unless you come, I will not go. Unless you come, I will not go. You come, present indefinite. I will not go, future indefinite. Now do the exercise in 3 minutes. Now do the exercise in 3 minutes. Here we can see always. So we should use the present indefinite tense. We can see occasionally in be. So we should use present indefinite tense. We can see twice a day in C. We should use present indefinite tense. The present indefinite tense, you may need to use the active structure at times and the passive structure at times. We can see here on Sundays, রোববারের দিনগুলোতে, we need to use the present indefinite tense. Then we have a first conditional sentence. Here we can see the verb is in the negative form. So remember to use the negative form of the verbs. We can see here not. Are you done with writing the answers? Let me
No,
know.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes sir.
Ji sir, করছি sir.
Okay. Now let me know your answers. He always. Who will
He
say?
always
He always
comes late to class. He always comes late
comes.
to class.
He always comes
sir.
late
Yes,
to
sir.
class. Good.
Yes, sir.
Number B. People occasionally.
People occasionally eats
Eats.
jackfruits.
People is plural. People is plural. People looks like a
Eat away.
singular noun, but it is plural. People occasionally eat. E-A-T. No S or yes will be added to it. Only eat. E-A-T. Eat. People is plural. People occasionally eat junk food. The medicine. The medicine.
Takes
Uh,
takes teach
Twice a day.
Twice a day.
Twice.
does
Sir, the
medicine
medicine.
does medicine take us or we take medicine?
Sir, we take medicine.
Then is the subject is we? Is the subject we or the medicine?
The medicine.
Then the verb will be in the passive structure. Then the verb will be in the passive structure. The medicine
Is taken.
is taken. Remember to use the passive form when needed. The medicine is taken twice a day. দিনে দুইবার ওষুধ খাওয়া হয়। Now D. We go fishing on Sundays.
We go fishing.
We go fishing on Sundays. A very easy one. If
If he come, he will make a mistake.
remember
If he will not come.
He
remember
does
if
not.
Will not come.
He does not come.
If he, here we have to use the present indefinite tense. If he does not come.
Does not.
Here we have
come.
our future indefinite tense. Here we have our future indefinite tense. Here will be the present indefinite tense. If he does not come. If he does not come, he will make a mistake. Now let's see the answers. Take a screenshot of this slide.
Done, sir.
Everyone is done with taking the screenshot.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we have present continuous. Now we have some other time expressions that we will use with the present continuous tense. Now have a look at these time expressions and tell me if there is any word that is unknown to you. Now presently means বর্তমানে, nowadays আজকাল, tonight আজ রাতে, today আজ, still এখনো, constantly চলছে, continuously চলছে, gradually ক্রমান্বয়ে, look দেখো, listen শোনো, at present বর্তমানে, at the moment এই মুহূর্তে, at this moment এই মুহূর্তে, these days আজকাল, day by day দিনে দিনে.
Din, din.
And we have we have an structure with the comparative degree. When we say something what is happening around us with a comparative in the comparative form, we use the present continuous tense. Say our population is increasing more and more. More and more is comparative. So we use the present continuous tense to say that our population is increasing. Now, another exercise for you. Do it in 2 minutes. Look, here we have now. N-O-W now. So what tense should be used in this gap?
Watching,
Present
sir.
continuous. A present continuous has a structure.
He is watching.
He is watching. He is watching. Only verb ing is called a present participle or a gerund. If it is a present continuous tense, then it must be preceded by am or is or are. He is watching. Is watching. Gradually, the sea level
Is rising.
is rising. The sea level is rising. Look, the moon
Is setting.
is setting.
Ting.
Is setting. দেখো চন্দ্র অস্ত যাচ্ছে. Our oceans.
Are polluted.
Remember to use the passive structure when needed.
Are being polluted, sir.
Good. Our oceans are
Being polluted.
being polluted. Our oceans are being polluted day by day. Our oceans are being polluted day by day. The temperatures around the world.
Is getting warmer.
Look at the comparative form. Warmer. We need to use the present continuous tense. Here the subject is when we have a long subject. First, find out the preposition. Here, around is the preposition. The preceding word of the preposition. Temperatures. এই প্রেপোজিশনের আগে যে শব্দটা থাকবে এটাই হচ্ছে আমার মেইন সাবজেক্ট, যেটা অনুসারে আওয়ার ভার্ব উইল বি প্লেসড, আমাদের ভার্বটা বসবে। The temperatures is the subject. The temperatures should have is, am or are.
Are.
The temperatures around the world are getting warmer. Now have a look at the answers. Take a screenshot of this slide.
স্যার এই অ্যাক্টিভ আর প্যাসিভ বুঝতে আমাদের একটু সমস্যা হচ্ছে, এটা একটু ভালোভাবে একটু বুঝায় দেন তো।
আচ্ছা, এই we will have a class on the voice. হ্যাঁ, one of our class will be on voice. Then I will
ওকে স্যার,
then I will discuss it in detail.
Time is
I think our time is over. Then let's end our class today. We will continue.
No, sir.
I can
কালকে ক্লাস নাই।
Tomorrow we don't have any class, but in our next class we will continue from where we are ending now. Okay, have a good day.
Thank you, sir.
ওকে স্যার, নমস্কার স্যার।
নমস্কার স্যার।
Namaskar.
sir.